Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a LENOVO 10e Chromebook, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with the internet connection, make sure that you've got one, and then we can enter the Play Store. Let's tap on it. Now we have to tap on the circle, which is your account, tap on Manage Apps and Device, and tap on Manage. And as you can see, this is the list of all currently installed apps, and in order to check the updates, we have to simply tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, in my case, I've got only 5 updates. Of course, if you want, you can mark all of available updates and download all of them. However, you can pick, for example, only 1 or 2. So let me pick, for example, Google Calendar, mark it, and then tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, your device will right now download the update, and after that the update will be immediately applied, of course automatically, so you do not have to do anything more. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.